Pirates of the Caribbean Jack Sparrow mini ears. If you want to learn how to make them, then let's go. For the newbies, hey, my name is Danni-Lou and I'm absolutely obsessed with Disney. So if you're obsessed with Disney and you want to be sparkle buddies, then ka-chow that magic button. With these ears in particular, I wanted a bow that was more like the Dooney and Bourke bows. So I did a little bit of research and I found this template. This template was absolutely perfect. First of all, you're going to want to trace around your templates and then cut them out. If anyone is wanting the templates that I use, hit me up and I'll do what I can to try and get them to you. You're going to need to cut out 2 pieces of bow fabric, one for the front and one for the back, and one little strip to go through the middle. Once you have done that, you're going to glue them both together. Now, when I did this, I noticed that one was a little bit more uneven than the other one. So when I glued them together, I just looked around the sides and just cut off the spare parts that I didn't need. What I did find with this particular fabric is that E6000 glue didn't stick very well to it. It didn't seem to dry. So I recommend using the hot glue gun if you're going to use this fabric. Once the glue is dry, you're going to put a little bit of glue on the ends and just fold them over into the middle like this. This will give you that perfect Dooney and Bourke shaped bow. Then put a little bit of glue on each end of the middle strip and fold them into each other to meet in the middle. When gluing your pin to the bow, put a few strips of extra fabric in there so it doesn't pierce right through the bow. Now that your ears are dry, you're going to want to cover up that crease in the middle. Just add a bit of E6000 glue and carefully place the trim in the middle of the crease. It should just slip right into the crack of the crease. Just remember not to put any trim in the bottom curve of the ear. That is where the headband is going to go. If you have another pair of Disney ears, make sure to measure them up so you know exactly where to glue your ears on the headband. I've noticed ones that are too low or too high look a little bit funny. Now just glue your ears to your headband and allow some time for the glue to set. I do recommend using a hot glue gun here, especially with this material because the other glue doesn't seem to stick. Place the bow in the middle and voila, you have mini ears. And just for a little bit of sparkle and a bit of a personal touch, I decided to add a little diamante hidden Mickey. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer them all. So now we should have a very cute pair of plush mini ears that you made yourself with the character that you chose for you to be able to rock around in the parks or on the cruises or whenever you like. What can I say except you're welcome.